The force of men and machines. How advancement shapes our future. That is a convincing theme. Development in both human creativity and mechanical progression is for sure molding our future in significant ways. The following are a couple of key viewpoints to consider. Innovative progressions, computerized reasoning and AI. These innovations are changing ventures via mechanizing undertakings, giving bits of knowledge through information examination, and upgrading dynamic cycles. Man-made intelligence is, as of now, causing disturbances in fields like medical care, money and client support, mechanical technology and robotization. From assembling to strategies, robots are expanding effectiveness and accuracy. Mechanization is additionally setting out new open doors in regions like horticulture and development. Human innovativeness and advancement. Imaginative business people are driving change by making new items and administrations that address arising issues. Their innovativeness frequently prompts troublesome advancements that reshape markets. Innovative work, logical examination and mechanical advancement are at the core of progress. Forward leaps in fields like biotechnology and environmentally friendly power are making ready for a more manageable future. The crossing point of human and machine. Increased reality and augmented reality. These advancements are mixing the physical and computerized universes, offering better approaches to communicate with data and one another. Human-machine cooperation. Joining human abilities with machine capacities is improving productivity. For instance, in imaginative fields, artificial intelligence tools are helping artists and designers in new forms of expression. Moral contemplations and difficulties, protection and security. As innovation turns out to be more coordinated into our lives, shielding information and guaranteeing security become basic worries. Work dislodging robotization and artificial intelligence can prompt work relocation, which requires reskilling and training to prepare workers for new roles in an evolving economy. The future standpoint. Supportability. Developments aimed at addressing environmental change and ecological challenges are significant. Innovations like environmentally friendly power sources and smart grids are vital to a sustainable future. Worldwide availability. Advances in communication technologies are fostering global collaboration and information sharing, which can drive collective progress on global issues. Exploring these aspects helps us understand how the interaction between human creativity and technological innovation is shaping our world and influencing our path towards the future.